So this is it. Our book is finally closing. Filled with so many memories and so many special moments. I'm always gonna love you. And I'm never gonna forget everything you did for me. You will always have a special place in my heart. Because you really taught me how to love. And I will always cherish every moment that we had. And I'll always be here for you. Because I want you to be happy. Even though that happiness isn't going to be with me. We'll both be okay. Maybe we'll see each other later. And maybe we'll do it again. But I guess until then, it's goodbye.